My name is Joel Villademotos, and I am your instructor for Introductory Sociology. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I studied at the University of South Florida, the University of Connecticut, and the University of Florida. I have taught sociology for many years. I love sociology. It's fascinating. I hope you love it too. Sociology tells us a lot of things about the world we live in and explains things that we probably say, wow, I didn't know that. So I hope you enjoy this class because sociology is a fascinating topic. And to me, I've enjoyed teaching it because it's so interesting and so exciting. Now, this is an online class. So in an online class, you're going to be asked to read materials. Some of these materials will be readings that will be online. Some of these are materials I'll give you, and you'll say Module 1, I want you to read this, and you'll click on Module 1 and you'll read this. You'll see that. Some of what you'll do is you'll look at videos. Some of the videos will be videos made by other people. Many of them will be videos made by me. I like to make videos. Why? Yeah, I like to make videos. I'm a ham, okay? So you'll have readings. You'll have readings from a sociology book that's included as part of the course. You'll have online readings. I'll give you handouts with readings. You'll have videos made by other people to watch, videos made by me. What's important? What's important is that you keep up with the course, that every week you do the assigned readings and videos or whatever I give you. So every week I'm going to give you assignments. I'm going to say, look, this is Unit 1, and these are the things I want you to read for the first week. This is week 2. This is what I want you to do. So at the beginning of each unit, you get like a handout, Unit 1 handout. It'll be on Blackboard, and the handouts in more box. And you'll open up Unit 1, and it'll say, oh, Unit 1. And then week 1, I'll say, I want you to do this. Week 2, do this. And then once we've finished all of the questions and topics on, say, Unit 1, about a week later, we'll have a test. So try to keep up with stuff. Don't try to put it all for the end and just do it for the test, okay? So you'll have assignments. I want you to keep up with those, okay? You're also going to have thought papers. Now, thought papers are going to be papers, maybe 2 or 3 pages. You'll write, and you'll email them to me. And these will be on topics related to sociology. On these thought papers, you will be given points. So if you do well on these thought papers, you'll have points added to your point total. You could pick up 10, 15, 20, 25 more points that could really help your grade. If you do poorly on these papers, you could actually lose points. If you don't turn these papers in, you'll lose 10 points for each paper you don't do. So do the papers. They're interesting. They're exciting. Now let's talk a bit about the test. I want to back up a second. When you take the test, you're going to be given a couple of days to take it. So I might give you Unit 1 test, say, on a Monday and say, look, you've got to finish it by 5 o'clock Wednesday. By 5 o'clock Wednesday, you don't finish that test, that's it. It's like you missed the test, okay? If you miss a test, then what you're going to do is you're going to have to take what I call a makeup test. And I'm going to give you, during the semester, 2 chances to take what I'm going to call a makeup or a retest. It's the same thing. If you miss a test, you take a makeup. And a makeup means I'm taking a test to make up for the one I missed. And I'll send you that test. Now, if you take the test and you don't like your grade, then you can take a retest. And a retest and the makeup are the same. I'll send you the retest and you try for a higher grade. So during the semester, you have 2 chances to either make up a test you missed, okay? Or to retest on a test you took, but you're unsatisfied with your grade. So this is the deal in test. You're going to have 5 quizzes. And it's going to be simple because I give you a unit handout at the beginning of each unit. We're going to go over all that information in the readings and in the videos. And then you take the test. And if you do the readings, if you do the videos and you pay attention, take notes, you'll have no trouble passing the test. It's not that hard. You'll be able to do it. I also mentioned on the syllabus that you will have extra credit. Now, on the syllabus, I said I'm going to try to give you extra credit every week, and I hope to do that. There could be a week or two that maybe I can't think of anything special for you to do, but I'll try every week to give you something simple that you can do for extra credit. And this extra credit will add to your point total. So here's how we figure your grades. You have 5 tests. You'll have a number of points on those 5 tests. Let's say on the 5 tests, you made 85 on every test, okay? That would be, I'm doing this quick math, 425 points, okay? So let's say you have 425 points on your test. Let's say you made 15 points in your thought paper, that's 440. Let's say you picked up 15 more points on extra credit, that's 455 points. So you have 455 points. I divide by 5 tests. That gives me, I think this is fast, a 91 average. That's an A. That's how it works, okay? So again, you have the test. You get points on those. You get points for your thought papers if you do good. And you get points for the extra credit, okay? And then we divide that total points by 5, and that's your final grade. And again, you also have, remember, the option to do a makeup or a retest. So if you make like a low grade on the first test and you take a retest and make a higher grade, then I count the higher grade that you made on the retest. Now, I want all of you to open up your syllabus, read it, make sure you know what's going on. Contact me if you got a question. Now, on the syllabus, it has my email address. Email me. And if you want to, you can also leave a voicemail at my office. And the office number is 831-4080. Leave a voicemail, and I'll get back to you. Since we're in the midst of this pandemic, I won't be at my office, but I will check my voicemails on a regular basis, and I will give you a call back. You got to give me a number. So let's stay in touch. Let's enjoy sociology, and let's have a great semester. And looking forward to you enjoying this class and studying what I think is the greatest subject in the world, sociology.